season!
That's never gonna work.
Ever wish there was an easier solution to get rid of those darn things? Hi, I'm Katie Feldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth, and
This never works!
is why I created the Simply Earth Candles Essential Oil Recipe Box. This month's box teaches you how to make your own premium quality products that you can definitely rely on. But don't just take our word for it, we have over 5,000 five-star reviews. Join the community of people that have made the switch to toxin-free living with our Essential Oil Recipe Box. You'll make these fun recipes and get everything you need in this month's recipe box. Learn how to make your own candles and mosquito repellent that just works. Subscribe to the Simply Earth Recipe Box today.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
Oh my goodness! Oh, I can't wait to use this!
With a new theme each month, you'll learn how to actually use your oils. You get to make fun recipes because you get all the ingredients you need. This peaceful patio candle is great for creating a wonderful atmosphere outdoors. The camp out candle will help naturally deter insects. And our lotion bar acts as a natural insect repellent and will also help soothe irritated skin.
We get it, you're relieved. I'm out of here.
And you don't have to go to a party and get pressured to buy things, but you still get to have fun.
How much is it?
You get over $100 value for only $29.99 with your first box. The big bonus box, hero course, essential oil community, exclusive discounts, free shipping. Plus, you can cancel at any time with our no-risk guarantee. You'll save money, get the confidence of a toxin-free lifestyle, and get everything you need to make the recipes delivered right to your door.
It's here!
You can't go wrong.
Are these even pure?
Each oil is 100% pure and backed by a GCMS test. Just enter the code on our website and see the GCMS test results. Bug Fighter helps deter insects. Grapefruit is very uplifting and energizing and great for skincare.
Ooh!
Thyme is naturally warming and helps aid digestion. Camphor supports respiration and also is a natural bug deterrent.
What is that smell?
Woohoo! You also get these fun extras. No synthetic fillers, fragrances, or toxic chemicals ever. So what are you waiting for? Try Simply Earth today and fight off those nasty bugs.
Okay!